Hi guys, Dave in Texas here, and I want to let you know that I need to apologize to the world. Those sounds that everyone's reporting, those weird sounds that sound like they're coming from like outer space, they really aren't. They're not aliens making a phone call or playing a three-note chord from angels in heaven, and it's not a viral video about Martians rock the world. What it actually is, uh, are, the sound you're hearing are coming from these Seymour Duncan mass distortion pickups. And brother, when they say mass, they really mean it. Now, how it's happening was described to me by a tech rat at Seymour Duncan who told me that these were not supposed to get out of the lab. He told me that Seymour Duncan had been hired by some three-letter uh, service company in the United States to design these to use as terror weapons in third world countries like Afghanistan or Akasobomoba or Michigas. You know, it's like, damn, how did I get these things? So what's happening in essence is these Seymour Duncan mass hysteria, mass distortion pickups are being played through my little epi, my monster epi. Thank you very much. And it's being broadcasted back through to my Line 6 spider monkey. My spider monkey is transmitting that to a nearby civil defense tower. It's being played out through the civil defense tower's network and being broadcasted on other civil defense towers throughout the world that have their settings on wrong. So what you're hearing is when I'm riffing on my G, you hear that sound. Or if I'm on my high E, you hear that shrieking sound. So let me do this. Let me play some stuff for you real quickly. And once you hear it, and within 5 minutes, you'll hear people going, "Hey, Dave's in Texas riffing again. I can hear it here in Bulgaria, or I can hear it here in Moba." So here we go. Now give it some time and you'll hear it. Now, the guy, the tech rat, that supposedly told me all this stuff, said that next thing's gonna happen supposedly is they're gonna come and knock your doors down and steal your guitar from you supposedly, or at least that's what I heard, made up just now. And so make sure to watch this before it's taken off YouTube. Bye. I think I hear him knocking now. Shoot, that was fast. Bye.